Hello all. In this video, we will be knowing about prepaid expense and the journal entry and the treatment in balance sheet and profit and loss account. So, this is very important journal entry asked in interviews. So, let's start this video. What is prepaid expense? First, we will know about the definition, then we will be knowing how to write its journal entry. So, the definition is a prepaid expense is an expense paid in advance for goods and services that will be received in future accounting period. So, remember, it is going to receive in future accounting period. So, you have made the you have paid money, but benefit which are services like rent, insurance, electricity, and for the goods like inventory and stationery, this will be received in the future, which has value. So this these prepaid expense will be received in the future accounting period. Remember, and let's know about the examples of the prepaid expense. Prepaid rent, prepaid insurance, prepaid subscription. And let's see the golden rule of prepaid expense. So, prepaid expense is considered as an asset. You know why it is considered as an asset? Because you may get doubt like it is it is said that it is an expense and according to the nominal account it should be written under the debit side, right? Or debit side only, but here it is considered as an asset. So why it is an asset? You know what is the definition of an asset? Asset means something you own or it gives you future economic benefit. Here also a prepaid expense is a payment made in advance for service or benefit that will be received in the future. As like I said that we are going to receive its benefit in the future, and here in prepaid expense also we are going to receive its benefit in the future. That's why prepaid expense is an asset. And expense is a nominal account. So according to the credit all incomes and gains, it comes under this nominal account. And let's see in this we will see journal entry. The general journal entry of this prepaid expense is this. What is this? Prepaid expense account debit to cash account or bank account. Here, according to the real account, as I said that prepaid expense is an asset which will be received in the future to you, which has a value. That's why, according to the real account, this prepaid expense will be debited. So real account says a real debit what comes in, credit what goes out, right? So you are getting in the future, that's why prepaid expense debited. And the amount is you are paying, right? It's going out. So that's why it is credited. Let's see this with an example. On January 1st, a person has paid $1,200 for 12 months rent. 1 month rent is $100. Considered person's accounting period ends at 31st March. So you have to consider the time period. So here a person has made $1,200 as a prepaid for the next accounting period also. You see, here he is paying at January 1st and he paid the amount till December, and from April 1st to December it is considered under next accounting period. So till 31st only it should be considered as a current accounting period, and the future amount that he paid is the for the next accounting period he paid rent for April to December, right? This is a future accounting period. So not present accounting period. So he has paid the amount for 9 months, which is a prepaid amount of $900. So how you will be expressing this as a journal entry? I said prepaid expense account debit to cash account or bank account credit. So now he has paid a 9 months prepaid amount for the next accounting period. So here we have to represent as prepaid expense. Expense is what here? Rent. So prepaid rent account debit to debit $900 to expense expense account is a rent account. So rent account credited. It is decreasing. That's why you have to represent it under credit side like this. Prepaid rent account debit $900 to rent account credit. So this is for next accounting period. What, and you will be getting the doubt that the person has also paid amount of 3 months in advance or in the same accounting period. So how will you write it? In the same accounting period, it is different journal entry. You see, like normal expense, how will you record it? So in the same way, this same accounting, in the same accounting period, the journal entry will be same. Like this, rent he has paid for 3 months, so it's a prepaid amount, but at the last of accounting period the person had received the benefit, so that we will be not representing it under debit side. The prepaid expense here already you are going to receive it at the end of the accounting period. That's why you will be receiving it. You will be writing it like this: rent account debit to prepaid account credit. Here rent account the amount is going expense and the prepaid rent is decreasing. So like this you have to enter the journal entry. So most of the times they will be asking about the next accounting period, so they don't get confused about the current accounting period. So only remember this, in the interviews also they will be asking about the journal entry of prepaid expense. So you just simply say this journal entry, only this journal entry. In case if they say with an example like this, you have to mention like this. Okay, and most of the times this will be asked, not this. Okay, to get clear idea I have said this also. And let's see the prepaid expense is shown under how it is shown in profit and loss account and in balance sheet. So in profit and loss account, it's removed from its expense on debit side of profit and loss account. In profit and loss account, you know that expense comes under debit side, right? So here this expense is not occurring for the current accounting period. You are making it for next accounting period. So you will calculate the profit and loss account for the same, for the current accounting period, right? So that's why this prepaid advanced paid amount will be removed from the debit side of profit and loss account. And let's see in balance sheet. In balance sheet, as I said, prepaid expense is an asset, then it will be considered under the asset side of current asset. Reason, you will be receiving the benefit in the future. Now you got the treatment in profit and loss account and balance sheet. And thank you. And you please work on these two journal entries in the comment box. Thank you.